So let's lesson 1. Everybody type this. Assignment 1. O, bandali. Assignment 1. Puntahan nyo halimbawa, let's say 2017 marketing books. Marketing books. Yung lumabas na libro this year. So, nag-google ako ng nawala yung screen share. Nag-google ako ng mga libro for 2017 on marketing, right? Let's say 2017 released na marketing books sa 2017. Hindi yung 2017 lang yung list. So, wala pa. So, 2007, talaga sa Amazon, kamote. So, we're looking for possible clients. Halimbawa lang. So, this is in Amazon. So, I'm going to go for books. I'm going to go for books. And I'm going to type in marketing. And I'm going to look for the top books. But I'm not interested in the top books. I'm only interested in what? Yung publication date. Can you see that? What I'm doing in Amazon? Syempre, nawala na naman yung chat room. Zoom, walang ya kayo. Natanggal nyo yung chat room. This is Amazon. Naghanap ako ng marketing books. I'm going to sort by. I'm changing it to publication date. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Lagay nyo publication date. Hindi, lagay nyo publication date. What am I attempting to do? I'm looking for the new books this year. Okay? I'm looking for new books on marketing. So ito si William Brennan, Kindle, and some German books I don't care about. Best business practices for photographers. Wala pa. Malapit na lumabas. So I'm just going to focus on the first book we saw, The Network Entrepreneurs. I'm going to click on that. It's available for pre-order. Social Network Success, William Brennan. Hindi pa siya lalabas. Lalabas siya, Sus Mariana Wilson, 2018. So, pwede. Tingnan natin si William Brennan kung marami siyang libro. So, marami siyang libro. Tanong, do you think may pera itong mamang to? Do you think may pera itong mamang to? Marami siyang libro. What do you think? May pera siguro. Bottom line is, you're not really interested in getting hired by him. You want to take this cover of his book. His book is planned for next year pa. Tagal. But anyway, you take the cover of this book, screenshot it. You know how to do that. Take that, then load it into Place It. What do you think you're going to do after you load it to Place It? Padala mo sa kanya. Padala mo sa kanya yung gawa mo. Sabi mo, bakit? Bakit ko papadala sa kanya ang gawa ko? Kasi gusto mo ma-impress siya. Sa tingin mo ba, kailangan niya ng mga promotional na ganyan para sa libro niya? Pindutin ko print ha. Pindutin ko print. Hindi wag yan. Digital pala, digital. Kasi e-book yun eh. It's a Kindle book. If you notice, it's a Kindle book. See that? Wala pa siyang hardcover. So, sa tingin mo ba, images, kailangan niya pang-promote itong picture na ginawa mo? Yes or no? Ba ito? Doktor. Female doctor. Ayan. Kailangan niya yan. So, when you create this, okay lang ba bigay mo sa kanya libre yung picture? Itong picture na nakikita nyo ngayon. Okay lang bigay mo sa kanya libre, mga 5 ganyan. Okay lang. So, ito yung libro niya. I'm just gonna crop it para lumabas yung actual title at pangalan niya. Crop! Lagay mo siya sa blog mo ha, i-upload mo yung picture. So there it is. So I'm gonna download it and send it to the guy. Halimbawa. So, yun na. Dinownload ko na siya. And yung download kasi na kopya, walang watermark. So, hindi alam saan ang ginamit ko. Naka-Photoshop ba ako or what. Hindi alam. Ayun, no? You get me? So, I send this to this guy. I send this mock-up to this guy who will probably be happy. Now, remember, you need to send like 5 to 10 of these para makakuha ka ng dating. Para magkadating. And then just put it in your blog. Also, upload mo rin sa blog mo. So, anybody want to tell me why I'm teaching you to do this? You want to know why I'm teaching you to do this? O alam niyo na. So this is my website. I go to my dashboard. I go to posts. I add a new post. No, I want you to get why am I asking you to do this? What's the name of the book? The name of the book is blah 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 blah. The Network Entrepreneur. Click ko dyan. Tapos, di ba sabi ko, put a title. And then, where is that command? Update. Hindi alam bakit. Iyak na ako. Hindi ba clear? Publish. Pindutin mo yung publish. It's one way to get a client, correct? So, pinublish ko na siya. Wala pa siyang laman. Edit in Thrive Content Builder. Okay? And all I need to do is image, drag here, add media, upload files. Piliin ko yung dalawang nagawa ko from place it. May isa lang naman yung para sa kanya. There. I'm just demoing one ha. Ay, can you see my stuff? Hindi nyo ata kita. Wait. Can you see my share? Kailangan ko ata ulitin. Wala na naman yung chat room. Kainis. Ito yung share ko. Okay. So, you didn't see me create this page. Yung The Network Entrepreneur. Hindi nyo nakita. Hindi, nakita nyo nung ginawa ko itong page. Again. Dashboard. Pages. Add new. Yeah? Punta ako sa Amazon. Kinopya ko yung title ng libro. Can you see this now? Can you see the Amazon? Pwede pa complete sentence. Hindi nyo naiintindihan difficulty pag nag-yes, no lang kayo. Okay. I pasted, type nyo paste. I pasted the title of the book in the new page. Then I click on, what do I press? Publish. Type nyo publish. If you can see the word publish, type nyo yung word na publish. Thank you. Press ko na ha. Then I go to edit with Thrive Content Builder. Type nyo edit kung nakikita nyo. Walang laman. Now in Thrive Content Builder, I drag on the word image. Type nyo drag image. Drag ko siya, dadalhin ko siya sa gitna. Okay? Click on add media. Upload ko yung file, which is the this one, yung doctor. Wait for it to upload. Then pinutin ko yung insert into post. Type nyo insert into post. Yan. So that's one picture. I just have to create more. And syempre, nandiyan na yung picture. All I need to do is explain why I'm doing this. So lalagay ko, paragraph text. Type nyo paragraph. Drag ko yun sa taas. Dito. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Drag ko yan dito somewhere. Saan niya kaya allow? Dito. Sa baba. Ayaw niya akong i-allow dito. Lagay ko yung text sa ilalim. Ayan. So, minove ko lang ha. Madaling mag-move dito eh. Up and down. Itong text, drag mo sa baba, pupunta sa baba. Okay? Yan, punta yan sa baba. Yung text, balik mo sa taas, pupunta yan sa taas. Sorry, yung image ibaba mo para pumunta sa baba. Okay? So, click ko yung enter your text here and I cannot explain what I'm trying to do. In promoting, paste ko agad yung name of the book. The book, marketing book, paste mo yung name ng book. Ngayon, ang laki na naman ng title ng book. Anong mali dyan? Dapat, paragraph lang yan. Hindi yan ganyang kalaki. So, highlight mo lahat. Tapos, nasan yun? Heading 1, palitan mo, gawin mong paragraph. Ano ulit? Okay. Kung di po kayo sanay sa Microsoft Word at hindi kayo nagbabasa ng manual, you have no idea what I just did. So, sa paggawa ng mga text, kahit saan, yung mga sizes ng mga words, hindi ginagamit yung size, font size. Ang ginagamit, ang sinasabi kung ano siya. Halimbawa ito, ang tawag dito heading. Itong words na to, yung in promoting my book, ang tawag dyan paragraph. Tama? So, kung gusto mong lumit yan, huwag mong palitan yung size ng text, font size. Ang gawin mo, highlight mo yan, palitan mo siya, gawin mo siyang paragraph. Ito rin yung isa na to. Kailangan siguradong paragraph. Kung gusto mong lumaki yan, huwag mong palakihin yung font size. Gawin mo, palitan mo yung paragraph, gawin mo siyang heading 1. Lalaki yan. This happens in Microsoft Word, Mac OS 10 pages, typesetting, InDesign, you name it. Ang gumagamit lang ng font size, yung mga hindi nababasa ng manual. Yung mga professionals tulad ninyo, gumagamit sila nitong mga outline. Outline ano to eh. Basta kung ano man tawag mo dito, outline tools. Okay? So, paragraph yan. Ngayon, nagkahiwalay sila, I cut that up and put it here, babalik ko dyan, paste. At comma, what's the name of the author? William Brennan. So I'm just going to type that in. William Brennan could use these images. Could use these images. Tapos na yung introduction ko. Tapos na. Yeah, tapos na. And dagdagan mo na lang yung pictures. How do you add more pictures? Click on image, type mo yung image. Tapos drag mo sa baba, magdadagan ng picture na galing doon ulit. So pupunta ka na naman sa place it. So, print, halimbawa lang, or digital, whichever. And then just go ahead and add another image. I mean, same book, no? Same book. Yan. Somebody is there. Tapos mag-upload ka na naman ng picture niya. Upload image. Video to. Wag yan. Video. This is a video. Sorry. Hindi clear. So, I need a photo. Sa kaliwa ko nagsiselect, ha? So, wow. Laki nun, ha? So, promotion. Ito. So, instead of the book, I'm gonna put the book cover here in a banner. Hindi naman siya video, so upload the image again. And what's the name of the... I have a question. Okay na to? Pwede ko nang tigilan. Alam niyo na paano gawin? It's doing this because people learn faster kung 2 beses. Okay? Alam niyo na. So, are you going to tell the client, the person that you did this for him? Or are you gonna keep it a secret? What do you think? Hindi pala pwede ito, hindi kasya. You tell him. How do you tell him? Sa Twitter. Hey, I made posters for you. Ganun lang. Sa Facebook. Hey, I made posters for you. Ganun lang. Yung marami kasi dyan, yung pinahihirapan ng sarili na, sabihin ko sa kanya, blah, 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 blah. I made posters for your book. William Brennan. In case hindi kayo marunong maghanap sa Twitter. Puti yan. Usually may Twitter yan. Si William Brennan. So, which one is William Brennan? Ewan ko. Hanapin yung itsura niya dito. Tingnan niyo yung itsura niya. Tapos hanapin niyo sino siya. Yan, author page. Yung author page yan. Tingnan mo sa, yan. Sino siya? Taga Bill Bernan, Massachusetts, etc. Hanapin mo dito sa sino sa kanya yung Bill Bernan, taga Massachusetts. Then you'll find the guy and then you can just send him a message. Like, if this is that guy, Billy Bernan, just send him, retweet or send him a message here in Twitter. Di pala ako nakalagin, pasensya na. Okay. Ano lang. Just tell him. Facebook, Twitter, tell him. Nilulubos-lubos ko na ba at di rin kayo marunong gumamit ng Twitter. Hindi nyo alam paano kumausap ng tao sa Twitter. Just tell him exactly what it said. Hi, I saw your book in Amazon. I made you some posters. Use them free. Or whatever you want to say. Free. Gusto mo siya singilin? Huwag mo siya singilin. Wala tayong hilig maningil. Gusto natin free. Can you type that in? Free. Bakit free? Bakit? Napagod ka ba ng ginawa mo? Yes or no? Pagod ka ba? Nag-upload ka ng isang picture na hindi naman sa'yo. Hindi ka naman napagod, di ba? So, bigay mo libre. Gagawin mo yan sa mga feeling mo may pera naman. Pero kung hindi ka naman i-hire, okay lang kasi naka-upload yan sa blog mo, yes? So, some people will be impressed at what you did, right? Uy, marunong siya mag-ano. Remember, hindi nila alam na Placeit ang gamit mo. Ang alam nila, parang Photoshop yan. Gets? Sinilin mo lang sila ng mahal kasi pag humingi sila ng high quality photo, may bayad yan sa Placeit. So make sure sisingilin mo sila ng mahal. Okay? So that's just one way to approach a client and build up your blog. Okay? Build mo lang yung blog mo. Okay? So save ko na yan. Finally, may laman na siya. Lagyan ko ito ng... Natapos ba natin about me? Shucks, hindi ko alam. Did we finish the about me? Let me check. Did we finish the about me? Yeah, we did. So may about me na tong blog ko. Pwede ko na lagyan ng menu. So sorry, I'm gonna have to go back and edit this blog here in the menu and papatay ko yung menu. Yeah? Are you fine? Bumalik ako dito sa problema na walang menu yung blog. Okay lang ba mabilis? Kasi wala pa rin menu yung blog natin. So weird pa rin. So what you need to do is look for the page na ito about. See that about thing? See that? I highlight, I check on it and I click on add to menu. Clear kayo dyan? Yeah? So click ko lang sa add to menu, lalabas siya sa kanan as a menu item. Yeah? So tapos ito yung kailangan nyo palang gawin. Hindi ito obvious eh. So ito yung mga post na ginawa. Ano ba, meron kang resource page, pinutin mo yung resource, add to menu. Kung meron, kung wala kang magagawa. Sa affiliate marketing, kailangan mo gawa ng resource post or resource page. Okay? So kailangan mong gawin yan. I-add to menu mo lang. So select something you wanna highlight na ilalagay sa menu dyan. Ngayon, essentially, yun lang. Yun lang naman importante. Kasi yung blog mo, it's already appearing in your website. Okay? Hanap pa tayo. Maghanap pa tayo ng menu item. Pages. Post. Individual post. Okay. So what's missing? So may menu. Isa-save ko na yung menu para makita niyo na nag-working menu. So the website doesn't show no menu. So let's view it. View the site. And yeah, see that? Meron siyang about, meron siyang resources. So if I click on the about, lalabas na yung about ng Jomar. Gets nyo? If I click on resources, nandiyan na siya. And it comes with the home na agad eh. So meron yung home. So go back to your home page. Ayan na. Gets mo? the person already sees your tutorials. If this is your tutorials and stuff, kita niya na agad. So, kahit na wala kang tutorial na menu option, kita na niya yung vlog mo Gets? So, that should be great for you. So, pag-click niya yan, makikita niya yung ginawa mong post. Ayan. So, you can click on home to go back. Okay. Okay. Question at this point. Are you learning something you need? Or sinadya ko na talagang hindi ituro sa inyo yung WordPress security kasi nga baka masyadong technical, mahilo lang kayo. Pero is this something you need? Is this something na by the next month siguro hindi na kayo takot? So please let me know ano pa yung kailangan yung i-address na problem para yung next month natin mas productive. My goal is to, matuto kayo ng steps beyond fear. Kasi some of you nasa fear level pa. Walang action. So, sayang. Kung fear lang or pinag-iisipan. For everyone here, I need you to answer in the chat room. You're like 20 plus. So, para nyo nang awa, sumagot naman kayo. What did you learn? Or what is your question? Dalawa yan. What did you learn? What is your question? Kaya niyan. Sige na. What did you learn? What is your question? Okay. Hindi ko natuturo sa inyo yung WordPress security. It will take longer time. Pero at least matanggal natin sa isip nyo yung problema sa WordPress. So, one last thing you need to know. Okay. This is basic WordPress. Dapat natutunan nyo na ito sa kaka-tweet, sa kaka-tingin ng YouTube. Anyway, let me just find out. Okay. Whenever you create a post, so I'm going to edit this post. So I'm going to click here, click on this post, and I'm going to edit it. Sa taas, may edit with Tribe Content Builder. You see that? May edit page. So, click ko yung edit page. So, why am I editing it? Because when you create a post or a page in, inside, pangalan ito? WordPress, people usually forget something. And that is called the category. Type mo nga, category. Isang gory na pusa. Category. So, that goes for blog posts. Yung blog post nyo, nandun yung mga tutorials nyo kasi. So you need to find what the category of a blog post is. Kita mo lahat ng blog post ko uncategorized, mali yan. Dapat, pag gumawa ka ng blog post, lalagyan mo ng category sa WordPress. So, I make a new blog post. Okay? So, tutorial, how to use, place it to impress clients. Halimbawa yan yung aking tutorial. Okay? Teka lang ha. Kulit niyan. Yan. So, I just publish it, right? So, halimbawa may laman siya. Ngayon, the bottom of the page, huwag mo allow na uncategorized siya. On the lower right, tanggalin mo yung uncategorized, gumawa ka ng category. So, ano yung category? Mga kababayan, isa lang category nyo. Tutorials. Gets nyo? Yun lang. Yun lang ang category nyo. Anong pangalan ng category? Bagal talaga ng real time, grabe. Add new category. So every time you make a blog post na merong Scribd or SlideShare na tutorial, dapat i-classify mo siya as ang category ng post ay tutorials, may S. Para, I'll show you why. Asa na siya? Ano na to? As you can hear, nag-iingay na naman si Lucia. No? Nag-iingay siya. Whatever. Continue with Facebook. Dali lang. So this is Scribd. Nakakapag-upload pa ba kayo sa Scribd o SlideShare na kayong lahat? Anybody still use Scribd? Nagbago kasi Scribd eh. SlideShare binili ng LinkedIn, so parang mas maganda. So here is my resume. Daming resume. Wow. Upload yung resumes. Anyway, so here's my PDF na sa Scribd. So open it. SlideShare kayo, SlideShare. SlideShare mas maganda. Actually, pareho lang sila, pero whatever. So, this is Scribd. You look for embed, right? Alam niyo na, ito hindi ko dapat tinuturo sa inyo. Dapat marunong kayong harapin kung paano mag-embed. So, go to embed here. Can you see the embed command on the lower left part of the screen? Ay, benta. Ano ba yan? Okay. Can you see the embed? Type nyo embed. Okay, I can click on embed. And I'm going to look for the code that I'm going to use for WordPress. Okay? So, when you embed it, don't select scroll. Always use slideshow. And just copy this whole thing here. Sometimes, mag-work yung WordPress. Yung WordPress, iba itsura yan, no? Sometimes it doesn't. So, you have to get the HTML code. Maingay, no? Si Lucia yan, nag-iingay. Gusto nang matulog. So I'm going to right-click and copy that. Okay. So this is a presentation that's been uploaded in Scribd. I got the embed code for WordPress. Let's see if it works. Pag hindi nag-work, wag umiyak. Okay? Ganun talaga. So let's find my post on tutorial. Yan yung tutorial. Ito, hindi rin yan yung tutorial. Saan yan? Oh, here. So, since it's a WordPress embed, type mo nga WordPress embed, dapat lagay mo siya sa text. Okay? Now, one tutorial lang to. So, lagay ko right-click, tapos paste. Jomar, sabi mo huwag gamitin yan. Hindi ako nag-edit ng text. I'm just putting an embed. So, pwede mo itong gamitin as long as you're not, making words and images and formatting and stuff. It's just, you just want to put a tutorial. You understand me? Pwede mong gamitin yan. Tingnan natin kung mag-work ka. So, I'm gonna update it. So, nilagay ko siya sa text, hindi siya visual. Everybody type the word text, hindi visual. Text. WordPress editor, text. Once you put it there, click on update. And then see if it appears. How do you know? You click on view post. Remember, ang category nito ay, anong category nito? Sorry, anong dapat category nito? It's a what? It's a tutorials. Okay, so I'm gonna click on view post. Let's see if it works. Hindi nag-work. Kita niyo to? Scribd doesn't work. So, anong gagawin natin? Balik tayo. Ito yung wala, hindi nag-work. Pero sabi niya, umanda siya sa WordPress. It doesn't work. So you have to go to Scribd again, click on HTML, and copy this massive text here. Copy the whole thing. Copy that. Go back to this one. You click on Edit Post. Burahin mo yung original. I-paste mo yung HTML. Again, it's in text, not in visual, and click on Update. Tingin nyo, andar, hindi. What do you think? Will it work or not? It's all code anyway, so I don't understand it. So, view natin, natin itsura. It works. Yan na. Yan na. Andar siya. So, hindi siya sumunod doon, scroll siya. Sabi ko, wag scroll, di ba? Dapat slideshow. Hindi siya sumunod sa formatting. Pero okay lang. As long as it's there. Now, what's the last step? Here's the last step. Umandar na siya. So, yay. Ang last step is, walang laman yung menu na tutorials. Gusto mo maglagay ng tutorial sa taas? Yes? So, go here and go to menu. Type nyo menu. Ito yung menu. Yeah? See that? And go to the bottom, it says categories, right? Click there. Ano yung pipindutin mo sa categories? Anong pipindutin? Tutorials. Anong susunod na pipindutin? What do I press next? Add to menu. Thank you very much. Eh, Jomar, gusto ko mag-iba order. Di ipalta mo yung order. Ayan, no? Resources will always be last, about, and tutorials na una. And save it. Now, ting. Yan na. Meron ka ng resources. Meron ka ng tutorials. Yeah. There's a tutorial. Yeah. And meron ka ng about. Very good. Last 10 minutes. Who has the last question? Sino may last question? Do you have a last question? What's in resources? Sa second income yan di-discuss. Yun yung mga tools na ginagamit mo. Ano yung browse? Ano yung ginagamit mong apps? Ano yung ginagamit mong hosting? Ano yung autoresponder mo? All that stuff. All that, the tools you use on a daily basis, isusulat mo dyan. Listahan lang and a short explanation for affiliate marketing purposes. Okay? Where do we get free images for your blogs? Why? Why do you want to use free images for your blogs? Pexels. Pixabay, Pexels. Yan, free images. Diyan kayo kumuha. Okay? So, punch in a word. Marvin, give me a image you want. Work from home. Wag. Bawal yung work from home. Pumili ka ng something na importante sa buhay ng kliyente. Profit. Ayan. Yung gusto ng kliyente, profit. Ayan. Between these pictures, anong maganda? Yung €1, yung pataas na euro, o yung euro na may credit card? Tingin nyo. O yung coins. Huwag nyo gayahin ito sa baba kasi may bayad dyan. Itong 5 na yan, walang bayad dyan. Anong pinakaganda picture dyan? Tingin nyo. Saan mas may taas ang value? Obvious ang sagot, dapat. Yung may credit card kasi €100 yun. Thank you very much. So that's Pexels. Mas maraming pictures sa Pixabay at ang magaganda pa. So Pixabay is another place for you to get pictures for your profit. Let me just warn you. Wala dapat kayong karapatang kumuha ng pictures para sa vlog nyo. Bakit? Tanong, sino nagsabi sa inyo maglalagay kayo ng picture sa vlog nyo? Bakit nyo kailangan maglagay ng picture sa vlog nyo? Tanong. Sige, example, bakit? Yung vlog nyo, ang laman, picture nyo, na naka-place it, at 10 tutorials. Where are you gonna put the picture? Okay, let's do a quiz. Okay, here. In this set, which one should a client like to see? Client. This is the reason why I don't want you to put pictures in your blog. Baka kasi mali piliin nyo na picture. Dahil hindi pa kayo sanay mag-isip like a client. Which picture here is attractive to a client? Tama, yung isa. Sino pa? Sino pa? Sagot. Pa. Kuko, kanyan. Sagot lahat. Walang gayahan. Sagot lahat. Sige na. Kaya niya. So, ang sagot ng iba, gold bar. Yung iba, 3 with dollar. So far, tama kayong lahat. Very good. Wag na tayo mag-exam to ko sa pictures kasi ganito lang yan. In some cases, some of you will pick the wrong picture. Can you tell me which one is the wrong picture? Yung hindi trip ng client. What do you think hindi trip ni client dito? It's all about saving grace. It's all about living love. Maraming dice dito ah. Don't say. Where's the dice? Ang duling na ako, hindi ko makita yung dice. Sharing life on the way. It's all about serving God. It's all about saving. Hindi, pinalitan ko yung picture eh. I changed the picture. Which one should a client not like? The pennies. Yun lang? You sure? There are countless others just like grace. Sabi ko lang. Huwag natin pagsama ito. Yung profit. Bakit? Pang 1995 yung picture na yan. Luma. Masyadong luma. Some people don't know that that's an old image. Plus, tinan mo yung coins ng konti. It's a big problem in determining what is a good picture and a bad picture. So, skip the pictures. Place it na lang kayo. Okay. Sino pa magtatanong? May tanong pa ba? I want to know how some tips on to purchase online safely using my credit card. Sometimes I'm afraid to give my credit card details. Unang-una, pag bibili ka ng using your credit card online, sobrang dali. If you don't trust the website, don't buy. So I trust Amazon, I trust Lazada. I think that's it. Yung mga apps na ginagamit ng virtual professionals, I trust those sites like Dropbox, Zoom, Webinar Jam, Facebook, all these big companies. Walang problema. If you buy from weird sites like yung Multiply, OLX, Green Hill, syempre, kalokohan. Talagang maloloko ka kung ganun. Kasi hindi naman sila reputable websites. So you can only be afraid if you're giving it to, let's say, a person hindi mo kilala. Get me? Or wala naman siyang website na matagal na. Yung ganong klase. Or hindi siya reputable tool ng VA. But otherwise, wala kang problema sa mga major sites. Okay? So, yun. So, saan ba binibili ni Marlene? Saka bumibili? Kay Brother Bo. Ganun. Depende. You trust him. Parang ganun. Use na lang PayPal. Yeah, you can also use PayPal to buy instead of using a credit card. Okay, your final. Are you guys Okay? You have last questions. Can you give me last questions?